Time Town, once bustling with life, now stands eerily still. Clocks refuse to chime, and the sun hangs motionless in the sky. In the midst of this frozen world, a little girl named Penny stands with her tiny talking pocket watch, Tick-Tock in hand. Wonder and concern fill her eyes. With the world at a standstill, Penny knows they must find time and set it free. The adventure begins. Penny and Tick-Tock dash through the winding streets, past trees that yawn and rivers paused mid-flow, determined to find the lost time. Time is precious, a gift not meant to be hidden away. Penny knows every second counts. Time is hiding, lost today. Where did it go? It ran away. Through winding streets, past sleeping trees, let's find time and set it free. Tick-Tock, don't save too much. Time is magic, time is touch. Every second, every day, time's a gift, don't lock it away. In the tower, high and tall, an old wise owl has saved it all. I must protect it, he says with pride. Keep time safe and locked inside. But time's not meant to sit and stay. It's made for joy, to run and play. Let it flow, said Penny bright. Time's a treasure not held tight. Tick-Tock, don't save too much. Time is magic, time is touch. Every second, every day, time's a gift. Don't lock it away. Penny opens the jar. Suddenly, giggles and warm sunshine swirl out, spreading across the sky, bringing life back to Time Town. Birds chirp and the sun begins its journey across the sky once more. Time's meant for joy, to run and play. As Penny releases time, laughter fills the air, and the world awakens with renewed spirit. Professor Snooze nods in understanding. Time isn't meant to be saved. It's meant to be lived. Every moment matters. Penny and Tick-Tock watch as the world comes back to life. Kids are playing, families are hugging, and the sun sets beautifully, bringing another wonderful day to a close. Time isn't meant to be saved. It's meant to be lived.